slipped in through the back of my mind, like a fracture hidden under design. Every thought starts bending strange. Nothing in me stays the same. I can feel you under my skin, like a fever slowly settling in. Every silence starts to swell, till it feels too loud to tell. I should pull away from this, but your gravity persists. Every warning starts to fade when your shadow fills the space. Crimson noise behind my eyes, running wild all through the night. Every breath becomes a shape, every thought I can't escape. No control left in my chest, only chaos when you press. Still I open every time to the crimson in my mind. You don't ask, you just consume. Turn the air electric in the room. Every nerve starts pulling tight, like I'm riding through your light. I keep losing where I end when your pulse moves through my head. Every piece I try to save turns to static in the wave. Every boundary disappears when I feel you getting near. I don't stop, I don't defend, I just let the flood begin. Crimson noise behind my eyes, blood in every state of mind. Every breath becomes a shape, every thought I can't escape. No control left in my chest, only chaos when you press. Still I open every time to the crimson in my mind. If I lose myself in this, would I even try to resist? Or just let the current pull till there's nothing left to hold? Every scar begins to glow underneath the undertone, and I swear I feel alive right before I lose my mind. Still your signal stains the dark, like a fire without a spark.